So a few days ago, I was ranting about how boring my to-do list looks and how sometimes I feel like as if I'm taking notes or just taking a lecture, like writing long notes. And my brain looked at me. She gave me this kind of bad side eye. And she's like, hold up, wait. Have you forgotten you can use Notion? And I just had my face. I hid my face. I was like, oh, sorry, that's true. I can use Notion. Why did I forget that? Hi guys, it's a girl blessing. I'll talk to you once again. And today, I'm going to be using my Notion to do some things, plan my week. Let's see what I can do. Seriously, I need to buy Kodulandia yogurt for that part of my brain that reminded me that I could use Notion because planning my day just got more fun. Planning myself just got more fun and creative. What I'm just going to be doing, see, I already started doing something, but I have a little more planning to do. I already created my weekly to-do list. As you can see, I have week 1 completed already. Yes. And we're in week 2. Clap for me. Anyway, you can do a lot of things with Notion. If you don't want to create maybe like a database or a template yourself, you can use an already made template. But we're just going to be doing something ourselves. So I want to add a challenge I joined. Yes, I joined the challenge yesterday and it's a 30 days challenge. So I want to add it to my own calendar, to my own challenge that I'm doing for myself. Everything is about building myself and building my brand, showing up for myself. This challenge is by Remote Worker and it's simply road to 1K. Yes, road to 1K. 1K. Yeah, I'm going more than that, yeah, but okay, let's just name this, yes. Okay. And there are a lot of things we could do here. We could just change this to an heading, which I'll be doing. Add an icon to it. Where's the $sign? I need the $sign now. Yes, I want to add a file. This is the slash, yes. Then I'll add my file. Choose my file from download. Let our file download. Okay, and we have our file. Good. Exactly what I wanted. Good. Copy, then paste. Let's create a table, a database for this. Let's create a table view. Yes, something like this. Let's put our days here. Let's name these days. So yes, so day 1, then day 2, day 1. So let's add a property. Priority level. We already know it's urgent, so let's not add the priority level. All the tasks are urgent, so let's see if everyone did it, just Ctrl+Z and you go back. Let's add status. Yes, so if you started the task, if you're not started, you can also edit this property to your liking. So for day 1, I have started doing this, so done. It's going to go. As you can see, this is what we have right now. There are a lot of things you can add to this, but this is just what I want to do.
You can add descriptions, you can add a priority level. For example, you have a task and you want to know how important each of these tasks are. You can rank them by their priority level. You can assign tasks to people, set a due date, text, and in fact, a lot of things. A lot of things. You can do a lot of things. Check your taxes when you're done. Like, it's just so it's so amazing, seriously. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add calendar to this. So okay, calendar. Yes, it's going to have its own calendar because it's a 30 days challenge. It started yesterday, so that's going to be 10th is going to be our day one, and our day one, our day one. So I'm going to just add a property. It's going to be a simple checkbox. I'm going to call this checkbox completed. So once I complete each task, I'll simply check them. Day one. So this is day two. Once I complete day two, I would add it. If I want to add a comment, I can add a comment. So day two, I should do these tasks as soon as possible before the end of the day. So day two, once I check it, once I'm done, I'll just check it. Yes, that's it. Another super and amazing thing about this Notion is you can create as multiple maybe projects or yes projects that you are running or working on, and but let's say like 5 people are working on a project and you guys have like a general project page, but you want to see what each people are doing maybe after assigning tasks to them. And you could just, let's say this is my general page, this 30 days. I could copy the link from this road to 1K by remote worker and I'll simply paste it here. Control V. So click mention. Now if I click on this, it will take us directly to our road to remote worker. Isn't Notion amazing? Now even if I have like 10 tasks or 10 projects I'm working on, I could have like a general project where I manage every one of them. Yes, where I manage every one of them. Just see now, isn't God great? So you could do this with your monthly tasks, your weekly tasks. You could plan your whole calendar. But for me, I'm taking it one day at a time, one step at a time. Planning my week as it comes by, no rush. I could create another. Let's see. Let me just write something like subtasks. Subtasks. I could make this. I could turn it into bullet points. Control Z. I could turn it into a to-do list checkbox. I could turn it into what else? A lot of things. I could turn it into a toggle list. I could change the color. I could turn it into a toggle list. Let's see. See, so you can add other tasks on beneath it like I did in that 30 days. So I could change the color. Let's say I'm changing my color to blue. So that's it. I could change my color. Another thing is I could make this page beautiful. The page does not have to be boring. I could make it beautiful, add a cover. Like see, I could change my cover. See that plain colors or they have dollar sign. You could also, I think you could also import picture. Yes, you could import a picture if you want to use other pictures. You could import a picture. I'm just going to use something simple and dark. This is too bright for me. Something. Okay, Okay, it's similar with the previous. Something black and white. I think this is cool. Yes, this is cool. You could add a link. See, the page is beautiful already. You could do a lot of things. Add, create more database inside this page. Do as many things as you want. You want to plan your day. You want to manage your calendar. Do that. You want to anything you want to do. A lot of things. Notion has a lot of things that you could. A lot of things to offer. See. You could open this in another page. Let's check out other templates like already that they already have. Well, say like a monthly planner, weekly schedule, weekly plan. I could also do something like this. Plan each of your days.
Another beautiful thing about Notion is its automation feature and the fact that it can be integrated with external tools like your Zapier, your Google Calendar, Asana, Trello, your Google Drive, and a couple others. And that's all for today. Until next time. Bye.